Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about bitwise operation. So let's get started. So bitwise operators. So in bitwise operators we need to know only four things: AND, OR, NOT, and XOR. So this is how they are represented. Okay, so let's take an example. So let's say we have x, y, x and y, x or y, x XOR y. Okay, let's say we have 0 0 1 1, and we have 0 1 0 1. Okay, so x and y. So what does AND bitwise operator do is it will check if both the bits are 1 or not. So in this case they are not, so it will give 0. So for the second one, it will check if both the bits are 1 or not. So in this case it is not, so it will again give us 0, and here also it will again give us 0. But in the last case we can see that both the bits are 1, so it will give us 1. In OR case, when we do x or y, so here it will check if any of the bit is 1 or not. So in the first case we cannot see any 1 here, so it will give us 0. In the second case we know that we have 1 here, it will give us 1. In the third case it will give us 1 again, and in the fourth case we see that we have both the bits as 1, so it will give us 1. Now x XOR y. Okay, so here in this case it will check if both the bits are different or not. So in this case they are not different, so it will give us 0. In this case it is different, so x is 0 and y is 1, so it will give us 1. In this case they are different, so x is 1 and y is 0, it will give us 1. And in this case they are 1, and in this case they are same, so it will give us 0. So this is how they are represented. Okay, so this is the entire operation of AND, OR and XOR. Okay, so now let's see an example here. Let's say we have a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 4. So bitwise operation are performed on bit level. Okay, so 5 will be represented as 101 and 4 will be represented as 100. Okay, so this is the decimal representation and this is the binary representation. Okay, so bitwise are done on binary representation of number. So let's say 101 and 100, and we are doing 5 and 4. Okay, so 10 will get 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 1, so the result is 100, and this will be represented as 4 in decimal number. Okay, so this is how AND is performed. And let's take an example for OR. So 5 or 4. Okay, so 101 100, and we are performing an OR operation here. Okay, so 10 1 0 and 1 1 is also 1. 5 XOR 4, 101 and 100. So here we need to see if both the bits are different or not. So here first case it is different, so we'll get 1. This will be 0 because both the bits are same, and this is also 0 because both the bits are same. So this is represented as 1 in decimal number. Okay, So this is how the operations are done. Now let's say we will take not operator here. Okay, so we will take a is 5 and we need to do not operation here, so this is how we represent it, not a, that is not 5. Okay, so what happens here is every bit will be changed. So let's say 0 1. Okay, so the result will be 0 1 0. So the not operator here will invert the bits, so 1 will be 0 and 0 will be 1. Okay, so now in the programming world, what happens is we represent a number by 8 bits. Okay, so let's say we have a number 2 here. So when we represent it, it will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. So this is the entire thing is equal to 2 here, but it is in the binary form and we are representing it in 8 bits. Okay, so this is first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth bit. Okay, so 0 means nothing here, so we don't need to worry about that. And this was all about the bitwise operator. Thanks for watching.